Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. If you're new here, welcome. So today we are going to review a hair that a company sent me. The company's name is Beyond Beauty, and they sent me a 24-inch body wave synthetic hair. So this is me taking it out of the packaging. It did have a protective net in it, but I did take it off because I opened it before I did this video, just to see how the hair looked, because that's my first time getting synthetic hair, and it does have a little bit of tangle because it is synthetic hair. Synthetic hair is not like natural hair. It's gonna have a little bit of tangle to it. So yeah, this is just me looking at it after having it for a little bit, and it came with four pins, and the headband was pretty thick, and they gave me like a lot of Velcro space, which is really nice. And the Velcro, the hair did not stick to the Velcro, so the Velcro was good Velcro. So it did come with one of those net wig caps. I just don't really know what to do with these type of wig caps, but yeah, it came with that, and it also came with a really nice yellow headband that looked perfect with the hair. So this is me putting on the hair. As you can see, it was like a easy two-step. Just make sure your hair is braided down, and you just literally plop the wig on, and there's nothing else really you need to do. And I'm just showing you how big the headband is. They gave me a lot of headband space. If you don't want this big headband, you can always fold it in half, just like I did right now, because I didn't want to use all that headband space. So the hair quality is not bad. This is how much shedding I got from combing it out when it came out the box. But yeah, the hair quality for synthetic hair, I would give that a good 4 to 5 stars. The hair quality is pretty good for synthetic hair. I've dealt with some synthetic hairs that are like really matted and everything, like you can't really comb through it, and it does hold its curls. Like I combed through that thing 5 million times, it held the curls, and it was really bouncy, which I really like that. This is a one quick to go hairstyle if you on a budget and you need somewhere to go. Like this is your to go hair, like for quick, cheap and easy. So I really recommend this hair just for that. So next I'm just going to show you guys a couple styles that I did with the hair. But yeah, this is just me playing around and checking how bouncy the hair is. So yeah. So this is just me setting the hair up in a regular side part just to see how it looks. And now I did a low ponytail. The low ponytail was a bit loose, like I didn't want it to be too tight because the headband wig is a little tight. So this is just a low ponytail. So I turned that low ponytail into a low messy-ish bun, and that style was okay. It was just like kind of loose. I feel like I'll need a couple pins to hold it, but yeah. And now I'm doing a half up, half down, but it wasn't like one of my favorites. Like I really did not like that look. You're gonna see I just shake my head and I'm like, this is not working out for me. But yeah, this is a half up, half down. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I really recommend this hair. It was a great experience. My first time experiencing synthetic hair. I really liked it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.